Hello everyone, welcome again to a new video. This time I will solve a new problem. Let's get started. Before we do, let's read the problem, and after that we will try to solve the problem. So let's see what is the problem we get here. Okay, the problem is here is return the middle character of a string. So the thing is, they will give a string that some more character in it. It will return just middle of the string, middle of the character from the string, and the other will be ignored or removed from the context. So the thing, let's read the description here. Create a function that takes a string and return the middle characters. If the word's length is odd, return the middle character. If the word length is even, return the middle two characters. Okay. So the thing is, if there is a odd number of characters in the string, just return this will the string from that string we get only one character, or if this is even, then it will return middle from two characters from the middle. So first of all, I will be making this video in English. My English not so good, but I will try to explain, and please take my apology if I do some mistakes. So let's get started on Visual Studio to solve this problem. So we have to focus on odd or even length, and then we have to return whatever they want, or the problem want to be solved. There is also some test case and example we can get. So all test case contain a single correct word as a string. Okay, this notes every time we read a problem, we should read everything so we can understand very easily before starting the coding. Yeah, so let's start it with csharp and see how. Let's see how to how we can solve this problem. Sorry again. So I'm moving to the Visual Studio. So we have to check on test case. I always check on test case from the problem page. So string, we have declared a data type and then a variable for storing the string, and now we have to determine the whether it is odd or even. So how we can do that? We know the length returned a integer type data. So this if length return an integer type data, then we can easily get odd or even. So let's find out how we do that. Before I will assign another variable with integer type data. Okay, string equal string.length. So as we get string length, the string length, you can see how much it is. String length. So there is 7. So this is an odd integer number. Even integer number will be 2, 4, 8, something like that, 2, 4, 6, 4, 8, something like that. So as we get the odd number here, we should only return the middle character of the string, as it is said. If there is a odd number, then return only middle character. So this is how we do that. How we know from the mathematical term how to get a even or odd number. A length divided by, sorry, not divided, it will be percentage by 2 equal to 0. So if length percentage 2, the calculation will be like something like this. So, if we see the output, there is only I get 1. So if this is equal to 0, that means that will be a even number, because odd number only gets 1, 3, 5, and so on. But this time we get 1. That means this is not the odd number. This is not the even number. Sorry. So if this condition not meet the requirement, the thing is, here will become, I said equal, so I should not say equal. I said not equal 0. If not equal 0, that we get here 1. That means not equal 0, 0 to 4. So if this is not equal 0, then this is an odd number, and return only middle of the string. So how do we get the middle of the string? So we just divided the string length with the string character. So how will we do that? String length string length and then divided by 2. So this will return only the middle character from as middle character from the string, because the 3 character here left from the string here also, and only 1 is left. So as we get the result 1 here, that means this is a odd number. And if there is not there is not even, this will be the output statement. And when else, and on the same thing, if this is not meet the requirement, then it will return something else. That means the thing is, if this is an even number, then it will return only, it will return only 2 characters from the string. So how we do that? Exactly, we start the same thing first. string divided by 2. Also we will concatenate the string with concatenate the string string and then divided by 2 minus 1. So this will return the from the middle character to character from the start of the string, like says. If you see the output, it will give the same amount of it will give the same amount of data. But if we do something like this, okay, I put another character in the string, so it will return something like okay, I'm sorry, this is the problem. Actually, where I put another concatenation with space, not space, sorry, not space, because this is okay. So this will divided the string word and return with the before. That's mean if this is the string we are found in after dividing the string length, the position will before that return, because we have to we have to take a character. We have to take a character from the start of the string at the middle. If the number of character is even, and this is what we do. As we get here, the thing is we get the solution we wanted. Maybe it can make in a simplified way, other simplified way, but in my logic I have come this far to solution or solve this problem. So hopefully please take my apology if there is something wrong I did, and try to make me correct if anyone know the better way to solve this problem. And I'm talking too slowly because I'm making this first time I'm making this in English, and my English already said that my English not is so good, but I'm trying to so please take my forgiveness. Please forgive me for my mistakes, and if I said something wrong. Hopefully this is not a quality-full content, but I'd like to make more especially need everyone in inspiration to do that. So I hope my solution is there, and you can test another string for that. As we get the result equal 0, that's mean this is a even number of character here. As you can also see how we do that. Okay, string we can directly console write line this statement. Now we don't have to make a new variable for this. Just a example to show how what's going on here actually. So the number is 4, that's mean there is no divisible, it's divisible by it will not any other integer value. So this will even number like 2, as I said, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, something like this, and so on more. And this is the thing we get. So if we percentage the length with divide percentage by 2, so 2 means that means it is a even or odd. We will know that's so when it is not equal to 0, it will return only one character from the string. If that's mean it is odd, and if that's not odd, then it is even. The string length is even. So if when the string length is even, it will return the character from the string. So that's what we do here, and hopefully I think the solution we will get. And sorry to make extra noises as I'm talking during solution, so sorry for that again, and thank you for watching my video. I will come with another problem solution. I will come with another problem solution after next time. So till then, goodbye, and please don't forget to share, comment, and like. If you don't like, please dislike and share. What do you think that makes me perfect to give a good video? I know I'm talking not my talking is not good here, and I will try to keep improving. So if I get some inspiration and motivation, or if someone try to correct my fault, I will definitely try to do that. And thank you again. See you next time. Goodbye.